Sometimes, I just can't catch a ball to save my life. That's why I invented the super hot, mega sticky football glove. In order for the glove to work, you must pour 10 milliliters of water into the lining of the glove. This water reacts with
calcium chloride,
which heats up the glove. It makes it easier to catch football. But sometimes your opponent is just too good. That's why I also invented the super cold, mega not sticky football glove. To make the glove colder, you do the exact same thing, except when you pour the 10 milliliters of water into the lining, it reacts with
potassium nitrate,
and makes it harder to catch the football. Set, hike!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Now we take you to Michael Allen, the Science Guy.
Hello, I am Michael Allen, the Science Guy. The glove that you just saw doesn't just heat up on its own. There is a science behind it. When you pour the water into the lining of the glove, it mixes with calcium chlorate to heat up the glove. This is an exothermic graph on the screen representing the reaction. As you can see, the energy is being released to make the glove hotter. The delta H on the graph represents the enthalpy. Enthalpy is the energy gained or released throughout the reaction. In this case, the enthalpy is negative 85.1 kilojoules per mole. The activation energy, symboled on the graph as EA, is the minimum energy required for a reaction to take place. The activation energy for this exothermic reaction is negative 52.5 kilojoules per mole. Using the easy steps shown earlier, you only need to wait 5 minutes after pouring the water to use the glove. Now let's move on to the glove getting colder and making it harder for your opponent to catch anything that comes their way. In order to make it colder, the water reacts with potassium nitrate. This is an endothermic graph and shows what happens while the reaction is taking place. During this reaction, energy is being absorbed. The delta H, or enthalpy, for this reaction is 55.2 kilojoules per mole. The EA, or activation energy, is 44.1 kilojoules per mole. If you give this glove to the team you are playing, they won't be able to catch a thing. That's all I have for now, but I'll see you next time on Michael Allen, the Science Guy.